The old True Temper wheelbarrow, 20 years old. You can see it's got a couple little holes in the bottom. Still works great, although I had a flat tire. So I'm going to do like a million other people and try to change the inner tube. Tire just comes off by removing this cotter pin and washer. By the way, this wheelbarrow used to have one tire. I took it off. I bought this axle kit, went across here, and 2 new tires. It's a lot easier to balance with a lot of weight with 2 tires in the front. Let's try this little thing. Pull it up. Right. Get that out. Now from this side, this will push over. Should be able to push this inner tube valve back in and get the inner tube out. We'll get it out. We're going to pump it up, see if we can see where the hole is. This is a big narrow tire. It's a 4.0, 4.8. You can look up what that means. Come on, horse. Push this up again. Oh, the whole thing's ripped. Wonder if I did that. Oh, what? I think I ripped here. This hole. Okay, so the thing to do is push from the front. I can feel the inner tube all the way. Get my hand in there, go over the top of it, and then push it out the back. So then in the back now, I can grab the inner tube. There we go. Okay, well, that's going to be hard to test to find the hole, but I think I punctured it when I put the first tool in. Okay. Now, I can see all the rim now. So I think if I get the new inner tube, put it in here, try to push it back in, it should go in okay. Alright, let's order the new inner tube. Inspect the old one. That's where I inserted this tool. It's hard to tell why it was leaking. Could be the valve. Anyway, it's worth trying to get a new inner tube, see if it works. All right, we got the new inner tube in. I bought this inner tube, Power Care, the right size, radian trims 4.8, 4 to 8. Infused with leak stopper, seals punctures instantly. Okay, guess it's got some goop in there, some kind of band. Okay, so it looks like this, and the valve goes in this direction. If you remember how we took this off, the valve side, which is here, is still inside the tire. This is still inside the tire. And so we're going to push it in from this side, which is open. So I don't want to break the inner tube, so let's just Put it on this box for now. Give it a try. It's got to go in this hole. Come out the other side. Got to go around the rim and inside the tire. So we stand it up. We should be able to push this underneath the lip of this tire. Maybe we should put it in the tire first. Oh, I think I can reach from this side now. Also, okay, that's going to help a lot. Got my fingers up in here. There we go. So I'm going to put a little air in there before I seal this up to get the tire, the inner tube to expand and straighten up. Maybe it will. Okay. Pump a little bit. Okay, I can feel in here, the inner tube is straight. Put a little more air. Okay, I can feel both sides of the inner tube. It's aligned perfectly. I'm going to use the metal piece to hold it in place. And then I'm going to try this little piece of plastic from my bike. See if that will help. Nice. That went on easily. Surprised. It was harder to get the inner tube in than put this side on. Okay, let's pump it up. Double check. PSI says 30 PSI. Check the tube. Everything looks good. Give it a test. Changed out. Ready to rock and roll. Changed tire successfully. If you're still using a single tire wheelbarrow, you can get this little conversion kit. You will have to get new wheels and tires and that axle, but you can lift a lot more weight and you can balance it with one hand. These two will balance it. You can move stuff with one hand, whereas with a single wheel, you always have to keep two hands on the handle. Okay.